Leafy greens are one of the most rewarding vegetables you can grow in your garden, particularly if you've only got a small space. The reason being that every part of the plant above ground is edible within a matter of weeks. So spinach, kale, silver beet, bok choy, they're all really simple plants to grow. You can be harvesting within a matter of weeks. They're full of vitamins and roughage and they're so good for you, it's not funny. Traditionally, we think of these as being things to have with your evening meal, boiled or steamed, but I love to start the day with my leafy greens. It puts a spring in my step. The answer is a green smoothie, and here's one of my favourite recipes. The key ingredient is this beautiful freshly picked spinach. So just chop it roughly, get it in the blender. I love the stalks too for their roughage. And a little bit of lemon juice for acidity. A big dollop of yogurt. I love some calcium in the morning. 2 for good measure. And some water to liquefy. And a bit of cinnamon for some lovely flavour. And a banana. Bananas are absolutely full of potassium, which is so good for you as well. We're now ready to blend. Good to go. Look at that. Leafy greens, a wonderful way to start the day.